So many of you have emailed me asking about these cannabis stocks. They're going wild. How do you make money in them? Is it luck? Well, I'm here to tell you it's absolutely predictable, and VantagePoint has nailed these cannabis stocks. And I'm going to show you some actual examples, but here's the key that you have to realize. These cannabis stocks aren't just going up or down for no reason. They're being pushed, they're being pulled, they're being influenced by other factors, and VantagePoint is taking all of that data into consideration, analyzing it, and with an 86% accuracy, forecasting the trend direction and the trend changes in these cannabis stocks. So let's flip over to my charts and look at it together. Okay, let's walk through this together. First of all, what you're going to notice is I've got the proprietary IntelliScan up on my screen right now. I've got all of the US cannabis stocks that VantagePoint forecasts for in the scan right now. I'm going to go ahead and add the Canadian cannabis stock sectors as well, so that way we're not limiting ourselves. We're looking for any opportunity in the cannabis sector that we can profit from, all right? Now, here's something interesting that you're gonna notice. A lot of people think the cannabis stocks have been going crazy, and if you had bought any of them, you would have made money. Not true. Let me show you. If you look up here, I'm gonna filter for cannabis stocks that went down, okay? So what you'll notice now is there were a total of 58 cannabis stocks. 38 of them were expected to go up, and 20 of them are expected to go down. So what this tells you is that, you almost had a 50-50 shot. This is where you have to be really selective and really careful and not just throw money at the cannabis sector because you read in the news that it's going crazy. You really need something that's scientifically proven and analytically able to forecast where specific cannabis stocks are going to go. So let's go back and let's change this to cannabis stocks that are forecasted to go up. Now, what you're going to see here is there are 38 cannabis stocks that are forecasted to go up, but you know what? That's still too many. Let's filter it down even further. So I'm going to change the neural index to be pointing up. These are all predictive indicators that VantagePoint has using artificial intelligence to forecast. And what I'm doing is I'm saying I am only looking for opportunities where these stocks are forecasted to go up, and I've got 4 that meet that criteria. So within seconds, I can find and pinpoint these profitable opportunities. That's how easy it is. Now I'm going to go over a couple specific examples of what VantagePoint's been forecasting so you can see what our customers have been able to participate in and what it's forecasting now. So if you look at my screen, what you'll notice is that VantagePoint gave a forecast that this stock, this cannabis stock, was expected to go up. You may or may not know what this stock is, okay? This is symbol HEXO. Doesn't matter if you know what the company is, what they do. Here's what you need to know. Where is it going and when is it going to start going up? This is what VantagePoint pinpointed for you. Not only did the blue line, which is an artificial intelligence predictive moving average indicator, forecast the stock to go up. Look at this. Your predicted neural index, a separate predictive indicator, also based on artificial intelligence, is telling you that this stock is going to go up. You now have 2 indicators, both telling you the same thing from 2 different perspectives. There you go. That's the confirmation you need. Now, what's interesting is there were a couple of instances where this stock actually went sideways, like right here, and showed some weakness, like right here, but that didn't fake VantagePoint out. It knew that the overall trend direction would still go up. And here's the cool thing. Look what this stock has done since the time that VantagePoint forecasted this stock to go up. This stock in 25 days has gone up almost 90%. Would you be happy if you were able to make 90% in 25 days? Of course you would. Now, what is VantagePoint forecasting right now? Well, what you'll notice here is that the blue line and the black line have started to converge. So before, you'll notice the gap was pretty wide, but as the gap begins to narrow, that tells you the trend is weakening. This is a good time for you to start to look at this more closely, readjust your stops, start thinking about locking in profits. But another fantastic forecast from VantagePoint, guiding our customers to find those most profitable opportunities in the cannabis sector. Let's look at another one. So this is general cannabis. Now, there was a great move to the downside that VantagePoint forecasted. So if you're comfortable shorting stocks, you could have made a ton of money there. But check this out. Right here, VantagePoint said, okay, this stock is not going to continue going down. It's going to start going up in a big way. Not only did the blue line, the predicted moving average, cross above, but you also had your neural index. Look down below. Neural index went green, both of them telling you this stock is going to go up. So what do you do if you know a stock's going to go up with 86% accuracy? You buy. And look what this stock has done. It's gone up tremendously. Now, again, I want to point out for you what's happening right now. You'll see that the green indicator down below went to red, okay? The neural index went to red, indicating weakness. Your blue line up above, you can see it's kind of leveled off. So we are definitely getting strong indications that this trend may be coming to an end, or at least is weakening. Again, watch it closely. Tighten up on your stops if you think that's a prudent thing to do to lock in your profits. VantagePoint will guide you with all of that. But look at this. Look what this stock has done since the point in time that VantagePoint forecasted the stock to go up. This stock in 26 days has gone up almost 55%. Again, you add 55% plus the other 90%. I mean, look at this. And this is all within about a month or so. This is the type of thing that you can expect when you're using artificial intelligence, when you're analyzing stocks from a global perspective, and most importantly, when you can forecast trends versus follow them. Okay, we want to be able to buy the stock when it's low, like at wholesale prices, and then ride it all the way up. And then when it hits that retail price and all the average Joe traders start buying in, that's when we want to start taking our profits, okay? Now, I want to show you one last one. This is a stock that a lot of people overlooked because it's a low price stock, okay? Back when, it was less than $1 a share, VantagePoint gave an indication that this stock was going to go up, okay? We got the predicted moving average crossing above. Your neural index went from red to green. A lot of people weren't paying attention to this one, but it came up in a scan because VantagePoint doesn't care what the stock is, what it does, the name of it, what the price per share is. It's looking for profitable trading opportunities, and it identified this. And then it also forecasted a nice move to the downside, and then it also gave a nice forecast to the upside. And you can see this has been a great stock to trade and swing trade. You didn't have to get in and out and in and out. You got in, you rode it, and you profited. Now check this out. This is going to be the most exciting thing for you, I think. I was most excited by this. Look what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to actually draw for you, and I'm going to ignore the downtrend, even though you could have profited from that, because some people don't like to short stocks. And I'm going to just show you the uptrends that VantagePoint forecasted. And look at this. Okay, here's the first uptrend. 11 days, 326%. Okay, here's the other up move that VantagePoint forecasted. And look at this. This is 4 days, another 171%. Do you guys see this? Do you see how you could have easily, put $5,000 in and got 15,000 out? I mean, this is how you build your account. Now, was this aggressive? No. Everything was pointing that this stock was going to go up. Everything was confirmed. And when you get those indications, that's the time to act. So this is how VantagePoint is helping to guide our customers, give them clarity, give them confidence, and pinpoint those profitable opportunities before the opportunity passes you by. If you haven't come on board as a customer yet, get on board today. Take action. Let us help you so that you can begin to catch moves like this and profit to this degree like other VantagePoint customers have. Look forward to having you join us and welcoming you on as a VantagePoint customer.